If you're living in India, and searching for a cheap smartphone with a big display, you'll get yet another option on August 2nd, where Infinix is said to launch the Smart 5A. This is an entry-level device with a 6.52 HD Plus display, that can apparently go up to 500 nits of brightness. As from the device photos, the bezels at the chin of the device is imaginably thicker than the rest, and the rear comes with a physical fingerprint sensor. The rear panel also features a textured gradient color design, which Infinix has called Prism Flow. Smart 5A has 3 color choices: Midnight Black, Quetzal Cyan, and Ocean Wave, with the latter two being slightly varying gradient shades of blue. And its display is rated to offer 500 nits of brightness, and a 5000 mAh battery, which powers the entire setup. Infinix claims that this should provide 19 hours of HD video playback, 16 hours of web browsing time and 13 hours of gaming life. As the device's images reveal, the Infinix Smart 5A features a dual rear camera, in what looks like a triple camera module, with a dummy unit in the camera module added, possibly for cost-cutting reasons. Reports expect this to be a 13MP plus 2MP camera configuration. Other features include a micro USB port, and in terms of performance, speculations expect the phone to feature a MediaTek Helio G25, along with 2GB RAM and 32GB storage. It's going to be available on Flipkart from August 2nd, and apparently it should come with exclusive Reliance Jio offers. You'll get an INR 550 discount on the phone, if you sign up for using Jio in the primary card slot. Compared to the Infinix Smart 5, which was released back in February, the 5A has a smaller battery and screen, with the same resolution as Smart 5.